Windows 10 update settings. Let's talk about these settings. Hey everyone, this is Zach with PC Simplest, and we're talking Windows 10 updates and their settings. And they change things a little bit with how they do the updates now, and you can actually download your updates from other computers and other computers from the internet, and that'll just speed things up and make it, a little bit quicker for you. And if you watched my other videos before, you saw that basically there's no way to stop the Windows 10 updates. You are going to get your Windows 10 updates whether you like it or not. And that's a great thing. Honestly, that's a great thing. I'm so glad they did that because so many people would always turn off their updates, forget about doing updates, and yeah, maybe it breaks things sometimes, but in the long run, it's going to be the best security thing for you to do. So, Windows 10 did this, and now you can change a little bit of the settings there, but you're always getting your updates, and that's always going to be a great thing. So, what we're going to do is talk about these settings. So let's go down, and we will talk about our updates. So, in our search bar, we can just type in updates, and right here at the very top, it's going to say check for updates, and we'll just click on that. And it's going to show your Windows 10 updates. And you can automatically check for it, but you can see that your system is already checking for Windows updates all the time. So we can just leave that alone. So basically what we're going to do here is click on Advanced Options. And from here, it says choose how updates are installed. So you can click there and you can see Automatic Recommended. And you can notify to schedule restart. And basically what that means is if your computer needs to be restarted, it's going to notify you and say, hey, let's restart it. Whatever, you can always postpone it, which most people do when they leave their computers on. But once you turn it off, it'll start doing it anyway. So basically, it's telling you you can schedule that update, or you can just set it to automatic. And when you're not using your device, it'll just restart it for you, which is fine, unless you have a lot of things running all the time in the background and you're doing weird things with your computer, then this may not be for you. So you may want to set to notify to schedule restart, which is what I want to do. And it says, give me updates for other Microsoft products when I update Windows. So if you have Office installed or any other type of Microsoft related products, and there's tons of them, it will also install updates for that here if you check this box. That's up to you. If you have Office, click that box. And here we can view our update history to see what updates we have installed already, and maybe we need to uninstall them or do something crazy for whatever reason. So that's how you get to that. And here is where it gets a little bit interesting for us. You can choose how updates are delivered. Let's click there. So updates from more than one place. Download Windows updates and apps from other PCs in addition to Microsoft. This can help speed up app and update downloads. And that's a pretty cool feature. If you're familiar with BitTorrent, this is essentially working a little bit of the same way. It will go out to the internet and it'll download bits and pieces of these Windows updates from different computers and download to you, so it makes it a lot faster. So it's not always going out to Microsoft and picking up these updates and being incredibly slow. It's going to utilize different computers all across the world to download these updates. So you can turn that on so that way it speeds up your update process, and that's always a good thing. You can also just set it to only PCs on your network. So if you always have a Windows 10 PC on and you're always getting the latest updates on that, if you have another Windows 10 computer on your network and you're a little bit behind, you can just use, that PC that's on your network to download the updates, if that makes sense. It'll also go out to Microsoft, of course, to get your updates. But that's basically kind of what's new with the Windows updates. And I'm going to just leave that on because I don't really care. If it's going to download my updates faster, let's do it. I'm all on board. So anyway, that's pretty much all there is to the new Windows 10 update scheme. If you have questions, comments, concerns, hit me up below in the comments, and I'm happy to get back to you and we can talk about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please, as always, like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. If you have anything to add, you have any more questions regarding Windows 10 in any fashion, please feel free to contact me, and I'm more than happy to answer or make a video. Whatever you prefer, you let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.